Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got another mystery box and this one is from Too Faced Cosmetics. So I know some other people have already unboxed it online, but you haven't seen me unbox it. So please stick around, watch the video. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button now. Trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss out. Also, if you can smash the thumbs up, turn on all notifications so you're notified every time I drop a video or post something on my community tab. I will greatly appreciate it, guys. But let's get into this box, okay? So Too Faced, to me, and Tarte are very similar brands. A lot of people love Tarte, but I like Too Faced better. That's me, I do, I'm sorry. So when I saw that they were doing a mystery box, I just think Too Faced has better packaging and I like that they make their makeup smell good. So, I don't know. Plus their color stories are better. So I'm opening it up and there's a whole bunch of this stuff in there. So let's get it out. And this is what the bag looks like if you have not yet seen one of these open. It's very, very pretty. It has little Christmas squirrels on it. Okay. Now the surprise is when I saw that they were doing mystery boxes, I ordered two. One for me and one for one of you guys. Okay? So let's see what we got. Let's see if it's a duplicate. Basically, if they, because I think all of them are exactly the same, but we'll see if anything changed since I have two. And we'll find out what the giveaway is and what you have to do to enter it. Okay, it says, thank you for shopping with us. It gave me a 20% off my next purchase. That's amazing. Cool. All right. So already we see that both bags are the same. So I'm gonna open this one first. It's a really nice bag, by the way. All right, so this is Too Faced Melted Matte, Liquid Matte Longwear Lipstick. The shade is Queen Bee. So let me go ahead and open this up. It's actually a really pretty color. Okay, so Queen Bee, keep that in mind. We got Queen Bee. So we'll have to see if the other box is Queen Bee. All right, then we got Better Than Sex Mascara. Okay, so it's not the full size. This is probably deluxe. But either way, it's a nice size. It'll last you for a while. Then we got Chocolate Gold Soleil Long Wear Gilded Bronzer. It says Luminous. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very pretty. And that's what it looks like. It's gorgeous. They smell so good. I love Too Faced. All right. Then, the last thing that's in here is a palette by Too Faced called the Chocolate Bar. This is what it looks like. Looks like a chocolate bar. Cover the mirror. These are the colors. It's a very pretty palette. Very neutral. Okay. Now, let's open bag number 2. All right, I'm gonna put these back in here. And the inside of this is like a, I don't know if it's pink. It's almost giving me like a lavender tone. So, anyway, it's very pretty. All right, so this is bag number 2. We also got Queen Bee. Chocolate Gold Soleil Luminous, so it's exactly the same one. We got the same mascara. And is it the same palette? Yep. So let me open it and make sure it is intact. Yep, looks great. I like this. There's this purple shade right here. It's really pretty. So guys, somebody's gonna win this mystery bag by Too Faced. By the way, this bag costs, in case you're interested for next year, or if they do another one, I think this was a $42 bag. But again, I got a eyeshadow palette, a bronzer, a mascara, and a lippy. So, and this beautiful, really nice bag. So, I think it was worth it. Plus, they have really good makeup. So, in order to enter this giveaway, what you'll need to do is, let me see, be subscribed to my channel, smash the like button. You must have a U.S. shipping address. My bra is sliding down my shoulder. You must have a U.S. shipping address. How about, since the palette is a chocolate bar palette, you tell me in the comments below, please enter me and tell me your favorite dessert, okay? That's all you have to do is tell me your favorite dessert. I will pick the winner on Christmas Day. I will announce it either on my community tab or I will put a video out. So on Christmas Day, I'll announce the winner. And good luck to everybody. Again, be subscribed, smash the like button, have a U.S. shipping address, and say, please enter me and just tell me what is your favorite dessert. Also, I have another giveaway going on right now for Lunar Beauty, aka Manny MUA. So I will also link that in the description box below if you're interested in signing up for that giveaway. That one, I will pick the winner on the 20th. So you have till the 19th at midnight to enter that giveaway. So anyways, I hope everybody enjoyed this unboxing. They like seeing what I got. I think they did really good. It's really pretty. I like this bag a lot. But I've gotten to where I donate these, so I told you guys that. But anyways, love you guys. Don't forget you can't spell original without Gina. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.